it is the first example. As I told you, we have two parts. One is using the categorical, the other one is using the numerical. In chapter 2, we are going to take care of the categorical variable. So please look at this example, 2.5. First, I want to make the frequency table. You know, actually, what was the title, chapter 2? Organizing the data, right? So let me make the table. Okay, it's like this. And that is the categorical variables, the Democrats, Republicans, and others. So I can make, here's the Democrats, Republicans, and others here as a party. And I want to make the frequency table, frequent. Count. Can you count how many Democrats? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13? Am I correct? 13? Good. 13. And now, the Republicans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18, right? 18. Oops. Others? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 by 8. 40. The sum will be 40? 31, 9, 40. Yes, yeah, good. What is the name of this? The frequency table. We organized the data. What data? Categorical data. The categorical variable. Yeah, it's very simple. You know, chapter 2, chapter 3, simple, easier, but it's getting harder and harder and harder. So I want to go as fast as I can, right? Chapter 2 and 3. Additionally, I'm sorry, it is not clear. Additionally, we can add the relative frequencies. How do you think? What is the relative frequencies? So let me add here. Oops. Add here the relative frequencies. So actually, it is the percentages. So we can take the ratio. 13 out of 40. How much percentages for 13 out of 40? Can you try? Do you have a calculator?
32.5%.
Say again?
32.5%.
32.5%. How about the 18 out of 40?
45%.
45.0%. How about the 9? 22.5%. Sum up must be 100%. You know, sometimes we can add as more information, a little bit more, right? Can you understand what we are doing? Organizing, summarizing, right? Please look at the two tables. The first one and the second one. Which one is better for you? Which one do you like? Absolutely the second one. Yeah, it is the summarized, organized. Simply we can see how many Democrats, how many Republicans, right? Yeah, so it is the beginning of statistics. So we made the frequency table. Using the categorical variable, we made the frequency table. And now we are going to make the pie chart. Do you know what is a pie chart? Do you know what is a pie? Do you know why it is a pie chart? It looks like pie. Yeah, we knew what is a pie chart, right? So yeah, we just review. Yeah, so look at the pie chart here. How much was, usually we use the relative frequencies. How do you think? Why? Why we use the relative frequencies to make the pie chart? How do you think? Why?
Because the list are based on the percentage.
Yes, the whole pie, that is 100%. So usually, it's not always, but most of the time, yeah, we can make the pie chart using the relative frequencies. So how much was the percentages for the Democrats? 32.5. It's roughly, it's a bigger than 30%, 25%. So it's a bigger than, it's like this. And sometimes we can add the percentages. Did you say 32.5%? Yeah, thank you. So beautifully, another color. So, oops. 32.5%. And how much was the Republicans?
45%.
45 is less than 50. So how about this one? Yeah, please make more beautiful pie chart than mine, right? So which was the 45, say again, 45%?
Yes.
45%. And the others? Yeah, others is others. How much was that?
22.5.
22.5%. So we can make the 100% based on the relative frequencies. It was pie chart using the categorical variable. Please remember what we are doing. Good? The next one is a bar chart. What do you expect? Bar chart. Pie chart, it looks like pie. Bar chart, using the bars. Yeah. So the vertical one and horizontal one, we just put the Democrats and Republicans and others. Usually, we can use the frequencies. To make the bar chart, we use the frequencies. Pie chart, we use the relative frequencies, right? So, do you remember how many Democrats? Can you tell me? I had the other page.
13.
How many?
13.
13. And the Republicans?
18.
18. Okay, so now I want to say here's a 10 and 20. Did you say 13 Democrats? 13? 13? 18? How many others? 9? Yeah. Let me make more beautiful. It is the bar chart, the bar graph. Okay, let me ask you. Now we have, let me make smaller. The three kinds of summarization organization. One was the frequency table, pie chart, bar chart. Which one do you like best? How do you think? Which one?
Pie chart.
Pie? Why?
It's easier to see how the numbers relate to each other.
Okay, it's good. Anybody else? Anybody who likes bar chart? Everybody likes pie? I mean pie chart. Anybody who likes table? You? Why?
Get more information.
More information. What do you mean?
I have the exact numbers that I needed.
Exact counts and also percentages. You know, the pie chart has just percentages, right? Yeah, even I can add the counts on the pie chart, but now I just suggest to you, and based on the relative frequencies, we made a pie chart. Yes, the table has more information, the frequencies and the percentages. Anybody who likes bar chart? I like bar chart. I don't care percentages. I just want to compare who is the most, who is the least, right? So it depends on. It depends on what you want to show. If we want to show more information, why not? The table, you know. But now we have three categories: Democrats, Republicans, and others. It is easy to see the numbers, the values on the table. But when I suggest to you the populations or any other information by 50 states, including the DC, we are going to have a much bigger table. And comparing the populations, the numbers, percentages, sometimes it is not easy. Sometimes pie chart or bar chart is better than the table. But it quite depends on. So it depends on what you want to show. How can you organize the data? You choose the best one. There is no answers. Sometimes it is the best. Sometimes the other one is the best. So it quite depends on. It's good? So now, I'm sorry. Yeah. Now we had only 3 topics using the categorical variable. We made frequency table and pie chart, bar chart. When you read the textbook chapter 2, probably chapter 2 suggests you more, but I just chose the 3 topics. I will make the exam is only based on my lecture note, not based on the textbook. You know, textbook gives you is more information, but just focus on the topics on my lecture note. It's good.